Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix this effect does not work on this device on TikTok. So in the case that you do want to go ahead and fix this issue, of course, all we need to basically do to fix this is to tap on our TikTok applications, and once we're already here, of course, we need to come encounter with that specific effect that doesn't work on our device. And in the case that it doesn't work on our device, what can we do to fix this? Is to go ahead, of course, and I want you guys to tap on your app stores and check on your TikTok applications and see if it is updated to the latest version. So of course, once it is already done, you do need to double check if there is an update for TikTok, so that why do we want to update our application to its latest version, so that all of our bugs like this would be fixed, and also new features is going to be added to our application. Now, one more possible factor as to why we are experiencing this issue is going to be a connection issue. So you do need to make sure with your internet connection and see if that is going to work any better if you are going to try your cellular data instead. So of course, if you're having problems with your Wi-Fi and don't have any solutions to fix that as of the moment, you can actually go ahead and try your cellular data instead and see if that's going to work better for you. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.